Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and I am Rashikin Kamarul, and this is my reflection on this course. I have learned how animals' bodies function in detail in this course. This includes examining the structure and function of various organs and systems. I also learned how animals maintain homeostasis, which is the ability to keep their internal environment stable despite changes in the external environment. The course also covers how animals adapt to the surroundings, including mechanisms for temperature regulation, energy balance, and water conservation. Additionally, I have explored processes like metabolisms, reproduction, growth and development, and how animals respond to stimuli and interact with their environment. Through this course, I have gained a comprehensive understanding of the biological process that support animal life. What have I thought and felt on this subject? At first, I thought this subject was gonna be hard as it's really difficult for me to understand. But I find it easy as I have done reading notes before coming to class, and it's helped me understand more as I can ask doctor what I can't understand. I also feel blessed that I have a helpful lecturer, Dr. Shakira, as she always guides us during lecture class and teach us until understands. I also started to like to study this course as I have a good and nice classmate where I can go to them and ask them for a help. This helped me a lot to survive in this course. Next, during the laboratory session, I enjoyed myself during a practical lab session, which were particularly rewarding, allowing hands-on experience with techniques that allow me to apply what I have learned in class and develop my scientific skill during lab session. What can I say about the good and bad experience I have experienced when taking this course is when doing the Sulam program, I have learned a lot of new experience like handling activities, preparing for the activities and interacting with the community. When preparing the activity for the Sulam, we faced a problem where we had a hard time choosing an activity for the parents. At first, we chose activity like a cooking competition, but it was rejected. So we came up with a new idea like cooking and plating a banana pancake to make the activity more interesting. And where I realized I also learned how to cook as I never tried to cook lamb and pisang before. The good thing is we can complete the Sulam program perfectly and everyone enjoyed themselves throughout the program. This program taught me about teamwork, time management and problem solving skill. Yet it was a good experience as I was given a chance to be a secretary to settle the report for Sulam, and this helped me to understand more about my inner strength that I never knew I had before. As I have mentioned before, learning this subject might be hard, but I always find myself to keep study and asking for more questions to the lecturer. Studying with friends also helped me to overcome my fear as I can ask them for help if I can't understand things. For Sulam program, this enhanced my learning by allowing me to apply this concept in real-world context, particularly through community service project. Even though our group has been rejected for the chosen activity, we do not give up. Instead, we think and discuss with each other to find a suitable activity. This integration not only reinforced my academic knowledge but also developed my skill in problem solving, communication, and collaboration. By engaging directly with the community, I can see the impact of physiological principles on animal welfare and conservation efforts, making the learning experience more meaningful and impactful. For conclusion, I think this subject has taught me many lessons and many scientific terms that I never knew that I have learned. So through this course, I have learned that understanding the various physiological process that sustain animal life has deepened my respect for the natural world and highlighted the delicate balance required for survival. However, my journey through studying animal physiology for the past 6 months has been transformative, inspiring a deeper connection to the biological science, a heartfelt dedication to making a difference, and not only getting knowledge, but I'll also find a good classmate and lecturer who make this course more fun to learn. Reflecting on what else could have been done during class and Zulong project offer a valuable insight for future improvement and learning. In class, exploring additional study techniques such as forming study group could help me to understand on challenging topic in animal physiology. While during the Sulam project, conducting more thorough research or implementing advanced data analysis technique could have strengthened the project outcomes. Last but not least, considering these additional strategies would have potential enrich both learning experience.